Hey everyone, today we're talking about something crucial for any aspiring YouTuber growth. Growing your channel can feel like an uphill battle, right? You're creating awesome content, but are the right people even seeing it? That's where VidIQ comes in. Think of VidIQ as your secret weapon, your trusty sidekick in the world of YouTube. It's a powerful tool that gives you insights into what works on YouTube, helps you optimize your videos, and ultimately helps you reach more viewers. We're talking more subscribers, more views, and more engagement. In this video, we'll dive deep into how VidIQ can help you unlock your channel's true potential. We'll explore its awesome features, share actionable tips, and even hear from creators who've used VidIQ to achieve incredible success. Ready to level up your YouTube game? Let's go. Keywords are the lifeblood of YouTube search. They're the words and phrases people type in when they're looking for videos like yours. But how do you find the keywords, the ones that will actually bring in views? That's where VidIQ's keyword research tool comes in handy. VidIQ's keyword tool is like having a direct line to what people are searching for on YouTube. You can enter any topic, and VidIQ will show you a goldmine of related keywords, their search volume, and even how competitive they are. This means you can find keywords that are popular but not overly saturated, giving your videos a better chance of ranking higher in search results. But that's not all. VidIQ also shows you the keywords your competitors are ranking for. This is invaluable information. By targeting similar keywords, you can tap into their audience and attract viewers who are already interested in your niche. Remember, knowledge is power, and VidIQ gives you the knowledge to dominate YouTube search. Speaking of competitors, let's talk about the importance of competitor analysis. On YouTube, you're not just competing with other creators in your niche, you're competing for attention in a vast sea of content. To stand out, you need to know what your competitors are doing right and wrong and learn from their strategies. VidIQ makes competitor analysis a breeze. With its competitor tracking tools, you can see which videos are performing well for your competitors, what keywords they're using, and even how often they're uploading. This information is pure gold. By studying your competitors' successes, you can identify patterns and trends in your niche. What types of videos are getting the most views? What are their titles and thumbnails like? Use this information to inspire your own content strategy and create videos that resonate with your target audience. You've got great content, you've done your keyword research, and you're keeping an eye on the competition. Now it's time to optimize your videos for maximum visibility. This means crafting compelling titles, writing engaging descriptions, and tagging your videos effectively. VidIQ is your secret weapon for video optimization. Its real-time scoring system analyzes your video's title, description, tags, and other factors to give you an overall optimization score. It even provides suggestions for improvement. Think of it as having a YouTube expert looking over your shoulder, guiding you towards creating the most search-friendly and engaging videos possible. One of the coolest features is VidIQ's tag suggestions. Tags are like keywords for your videos, helping YouTube understand what your content is about. VidIQ suggests relevant tags based on your video's content and even shows you which tags your competitors are using successfully. It's like having a cheat sheet for YouTube success. The YouTube algorithm, friend or foe? We've all heard whispers about the mysterious YouTube algorithm. It's the invisible force that decides which videos get seen and which ones get lost in the shuffle. But here's the thing, the algorithm isn't your enemy, it's your friend, if you know how to play by its rules. VidIQ helps you befriend the algorithm by providing insights into what it's looking for. For example, did you know that audience retention is a major ranking factor? The longer viewers watch your videos, the more YouTube sees your content as valuable and worth promoting. VidIQ's analytics dashboard shows you exactly how your videos are performing in terms of audience retention. You can see where viewers are dropping off and use that information to improve your pacing, storytelling, and overall engagement. By understanding the algorithm's preferences, you can create videos that YouTube loves to promote. Building a community engagement is key. Growing on YouTube isn't just about views and subscribers. It's about building a thriving community around your content. It's about connecting with viewers who share your passions, sparking conversations, and fostering a sense of belonging. Engagement is the heart and soul of community building, and VidIQ provides the tools to make it happen. From its comment moderation features to its social media integration, VidIQ helps you stay connected with your audience and keep the conversation flowing. One powerful feature is VidIQ's Most Engaged Viewers tool. This identifies your most loyal fans, the ones who consistently like, comment, and share your videos. These are your super fans, the ones who can help spread the word about your channel and attract new viewers. Show them some love, respond to their comments, and let them know how much you appreciate their support. Analytics and reporting, measuring what matters. Data is your best friend on YouTube. By tracking your channel's performance, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make informed decisions to optimize your strategy. But who has time to sift through mountains of data? That's where VidIQ's analytics and reporting tools come in. VidIQ's dashboard is a one-stop shop for all your channel's vital stats. You can track your views, subscribers, watch time, and engagement metrics all in one place. But it goes beyond just showing you numbers. It provides actionable insights. For example, you can see which videos are driving the most traffic to your channel, which social media platforms are sending the most viewers, and even which keywords are performing the best. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions about your content strategy. Use it to double down on what's working, experiment with new ideas, and continually refine your approach to YouTube success. Success stories, real YouTubers, real results. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless YouTubers out there who've used VidIQ to achieve incredible growth. Take, for example, insert name of YouTuber, a creator in the niche space. When they first started using VidIQ, their channel was struggling to gain traction. But by implementing VidIQ's keyword research and video optimization strategies, they saw a significant boost in their views and subscribers. Another inspiring story is that of insert name of YouTuber, a creator in the niche community. They were already seeing some success on YouTube, but they wanted to take their channel to the next level. By utilizing VidIQ's competitor analysis and engagement tools, they were able to identify new growth opportunities, connect with their audience on a deeper level, and ultimately achieve their channel goals. These success stories are a testament to the power of VidIQ. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool that, when used effectively, can help you achieve your YouTube dreams. Conclusion: your path to YouTube success starts today. So there you have it. We've explored the ins and outs of VidIQ and how it can help you master YouTube growth. From keyword research and competitor analysis to video optimization and engagement tools, VidIQ equips you with the knowledge and insights to navigate the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right tools and strategies in place, you can achieve incredible things. So what are you waiting for? Give VidIQ a try and start your journey to YouTube success today.